To University of Baltimore law professor and ABC News contributor Kim Wehle. Kim, big picture this for us. What's the message for parents out there?
Clearly, the message is that even though legislators across the country and the United States Supreme Court under the Second Amendment aren't taking seriously public safety protections and limits on gun storage and access, parents had better do that within the confines of their own home, or if they don't take the steps that our government will not do, they could end up behind bars, which might be the fate of this mother.
Do you see this verdict leading to new gun safety measures?
I'm not sure that would be the case unless there's pressure on parents to shift some of the responsibility to legislators. I think the alternative could be that we're comfortable scapegoating parents and saying we don't want anything in place to actually mandate that these guns have been locked up. I mean, you have to think, what if there had been that law in place? It might be a very different case. She might have complied with the law like we do with seat belts and requiring people to have licenses and not allowing children to get behind the wheel. If that had been the case, maybe she would have taken steps and these children would not be dead in this moment. So it could be that we're just going to shift the blame now to the court systems, the judicial system, and parents.
The jury at one point had asked a question saying, should they infer something that they hadn't heard the son's testimony? Are you surprised that the son didn't testify in this case?
Well, he's in prison for a very long time. I think his lawyers probably did not want to have him see additional trials, additional charges, additional trials. But given that it was his parents whose liberty is at stake, I'm sure that was a very difficult decision. We also know, Linsey, from his diaries that he articulated attempts to actually talk to his parents about his mental health problems and felt that he was unable to actually reach them. So it might have actually been a calculated decision not to put him on the stand. It could have gone either way and made things even worse for the defense in this case.
The father in this case goes to trial on similar charges next month. What could this verdict then mean for him?
Certainly, it's not good news for the father. You know, it's possible we'll have a different jury, and it's possible that the jury could hold a father to a different standard than mothers. We see this, of course, in domestic cases across the country, that mothers are expected to really know what their children are up to and to really be that intermediary. That being said, the fact that it was all of these counts, it was a sweeping verdicts of guilty, that would give pause, I think, to the defense team to rejigger their strategy for this dad to try to get a different outcome than the mom is facing in this moment.
Kim Wehle, so appreciate you tracking this important case with us all week long. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.